Hi everyone, I am Bruce from My Tech Academy and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the Uniswap exchange, but before we begin, a word from our sponsor. It was brought to you by mytechacademy.io. Again, that is mytechacademy.io. Your complete guide, A to Z, from zero to crypto hero. My Tech Academy is a growing educational platform teaching blockchain technology, crypto investing, coding, DeFi, and much more. You'll see our extremely affordable membership tiers, and you can sign up for our free, yes, free 3-day trial to give us a test run. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to our library. Our library covers the fundamentals of Bitcoin and beyond, the fundamentals of Ethereum and beyond, privacy coins, DeFi, and even for those who are interested in advancing and ushering in the fourth industrial revolution by understanding code and getting their feet wet, and even going beyond by developing the skills and knowledge to build websites and decentralized applications. We even have a web development bootcamp. So give us a shout out, subscribe, and come join our community at mytechacademy.io. Gain access to a community and library of knowledge. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange platform that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in a securely and transparent manner. It is built atop the Ethereum blockchain, something we got familiar with in the 1inch exchange, and Uniswap utilizes a liquidity pool model. So this liquidity pool model allows for speed and efficiency when it comes to trading and buying crypto. One of the key benefits of Uniswap is its decentralized nature, meaning not one single entity controls it. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures that the platform operates fairly for all users. Uniswap also provides a range of other features. So one being what I tapped on a minute ago, which is providing liquidity. You or myself can provide liquidity to Uniswap and earn the transaction fees, BNLP. So as traders are trading, you will get the fees because you help provide the liquidity. Something that's often found in centralized exchanges and big market makers is done for anyone of all income types with decentralized platforms such as Uniswap. Also, too, Uniswap has a continually thriving DeFi developer ecosystem. So it is constantly innovating and revolutionizing the way to earn crypto on its platform. So I hope you enjoy learning about it on our channel, and thank you for watching. We're going to go to our coin market cap. Even though I have Uniswap as a bookmark, if you do not, you're going to go to coinmarketcap.com, or you can go to CoinGecko. In the search bar within CoinMarketCap, we're going to go and type in UNI for Uniswap, and then we will select our uniswap.org link. Now we're on the Uniswap organizational homepage, and this goes and gives us a high overview of the ecosystem, the community, the governance, developers, and any type of blog posts or frequently asked questions. But we're going to go ahead and launch the app, or the DApp. It's going to bring us to our Uniswap page. And so now we're at the Uniswap DApp page, and this interface is the interface that started it all. When you see 1inch, when you see Balancer, when you see QuickSwap, their inspiration for graphical user interface was inspired by Uniswap. So as you can see here, we're on the swap page. We have our familiar controls. We have the gearbox setting if we wanted to get into expert mode, and other slippage tolerance features. I'm currently going to do this transaction over the Polygon network, but there are other networks to choose from: Optimism, Arbitrum, Celo, and obviously Ethereum. I won't be choosing Ethereum because of the high gas fees. Now, within Uniswap, you have a search feature for not only tokens, but NFTs. But you can just focus strictly on tokens by clicking on the Tokens tab, and then you can filter out. And it's specified per network. So I'm currently connected to the Polygon network. So obviously it will only show me what tokens are available on the Polygon network. And then we have the NFT place here, marketplace. So you can take a look at the NFTs, as well as the version 3 liquidity pools, which, if you remember, in the, I believe it was the QuickSwap video, I explained how V3 liquidity allows you to trade within a range. So if you wanted to provide liquidity, I should say earn fees within a range, this does take some technical analysis skills, and I would go as far as to say looking at some historical data with some scripting languages or utilizing a bot to retrieve that for whatever token you're looking for. But essentially for the V3, you would select, you'd have the Matic token, we'll just say, and then some, say we'll do a pair of Matic and DAI. And then we see the range. We can select the range here. And then once we can do a full range. And then once we have all that selected, say we do max, then we can approve DAI, and then we can start our version 3 liquidity pool. All of this is trustless. All of this is without a centralized entity. This is done via smart contracts. And again, anyone can do this. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go to our swap page, and we are going to buy some, let's see, what can we buy? Buy Chainlink or Render. I might buy some Link. Actually, you know what? I'm waiting for Chainlink to drop a little more. I'm just going to accumulate some more Render. I had an alert pop up for Render, and I'm going to swap my DAI for Render. Now, I do need to have some Matic since I am over the Polygon network to proceed with the transaction, but I'm just going to do full amount, only that $30 worth. And then once that is up, I'm going to allow Uniswap protocol to use my DAI. And I'm going to confirm. You can see the transaction fee is sub-penny fee. And the transaction is pending over the Polygon network. And now we are going to swap. And now we're going to confirm the swap. And here we go, 2 cents. And we're going to confirm it. And there you have it. Not in a need to add a render since I already have it in my wallet. And just like that, you see my balance. Now I went from 111 render to 182 render. I have 0 DAI, and it is in my wallet. Here we are. And it's that simple. Uniswap Still my favorite personal exchange to use. And now what I will say is that they have allowed you the ability to buy with a credit card or debit card. So you can buy crypto right here and utilize your own bank to onboard into the crypto space. You do not need to go through a centralized entity if you wanted to onboard. And how that would look was you would select buy crypto, which is what I just did. And then you can go ahead and say, I want to spend $150 to buy USDC over the Polygon network or the Arbitrum network or an ERC20 USDC to operate within the Ethereum network, or Matic, and again, various versions of Ethereum over their respective networks. Very powerful, nice, easy step. You will have to use MoonPay, and the fees will vary, but in my eyes, when you remove the centralized entity, onboarding into an exchange, and then getting it into your wallet, this method is very efficient in my eyes, and an excellent alternative as well. So that is the tutorial for Uniswap. Thank you for watching. I hope you gained some knowledge out of this and are empowered to self-custody your own assets. And thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.